It got something spilt on it, you know.
Oh no, I didn't.
155666. Anybody got it? No, he's giving me the next ticket to pull. The next number. I heard something. All right, there he comes. Here you go, Cindy. This one's on the way. All right, next ticket. 593-2491. 593-2491. There's another whistle. All right, I like that. Okay, this one's coming up. And the next ticket. Nick's reaching in, he's grabbing.
2 months, but it seems like every time we try to do something, it rains, something comes up.
All right, here comes the next number. Okay, 155256. Rod's going to have a sale on buckets here. 155256. That is you. All right. $593-2045. Anybody? All right. I see the hand waving in the back there. That's good enough for me. All right, next ticket. And Nick pulls it. He runs it around to me. All right, here we go. 155789.
Which way you want? This way?
No.
He doesn't want to go. Keep talking to them? You want to talk? Huh? You want to talk to them?
First number is 154392. Well, I know that one's fine. 154392.
Give it a son, too.
All right, so you buying $1,000 worth of tickets worth?
Yeah, we wanted to
okay.
do that.
The last prize is going to be the lucky 33 here. 593-0266. 593-0266. You got it, Nick? No.
Oh, I like that color. What is it?
Do I see a hand someplace?
That just lightly put in there. None of it was good.
I heard a whistle. All right.
What is that considered?
Well, we know what his price is going to be, don't we?
Indicated tuning.
Okay, as soon as we get this taken care of, we're going to go on with the bag prices.
Shot at him.
All right, the last prize. Okay, now, draw for it and make sure you don't cheat. Here you go. Thank you. If that's the wrong size, we've got some more that you can exchange it for. No. Okay, that's right here. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a switch. Okay. Well, we thank everybody for making the raffle a big success. Had a bunch. Okay, the first one we're going to give away is the Mustang 3-dial watch. And I don't know how many people put in for that, but shake it up really good. How many people had tickets in for this? All right. Somebody, oh, you had a ticket in too? All right. Well, listen. You got, if you pull your own ticket. All right. Now.
We're pretty damn good for showing up for just.
Okay, here's the winning number. 5930424.
When is not gonna get that should have been his birthday.
5930424. We got somebody coming? All right.